In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox or checklist in WordPress. Whether you're looking to incorporate interactive features for a survey, list tasks for a project, or perhaps gather user preferences, adding a checkbox or checklist is a great way to engage your visitors and make your content more dynamic. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly add these useful elements to your WordPress site. First off, you need to install and activate a relevant plugin. While WordPress doesn't come with built-in options to add checkboxes or checklists directly into posts or pages, plugins can extend this functionality. You can start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, head over to Plugins on the left sidebar. From there, select Add New. In the search bar, type in the name of the plugin you want to use, such as WP Forms, which is a popular choice due to its handy drag-and-drop form builder. Once you see it appear in the search results, click on Install Now. Wait for a few moments while WordPress does its thing and then hit Activate. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the tool necessary to add checkboxes to your content. Once WP Forms is activated, the next step is to create a form which will contain your checkboxes. On your dashboard, you'll notice a new option for WP Forms. Click on it, then select Add New from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to either choose a pre-designed template or start with a blank form. For simplicity, let's select the blank form. On the left, you'll see different fields that you can add. Drag the checkboxes field into the form editor on the right. You'll notice a default set of options that appear instantly. It's time to customize. Click on the checkbox field you've just added and rename or edit any of the options to fit your needs. For example, you might be setting up a checklist for project tasks, so go ahead and specify each task as an option for your checkbox. Customization doesn't end there. Head over to the settings area if you wish to tweak additional aspects like notification emails or the submit button text. Once you're satisfied, make sure to click Save to preserve your hard work. Now that your form is ready, you'll want to embed it into your page or post. Simply navigate back to your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to insert your checklist. Above the text editor, you should see an Add Form button. Click on it, select the form you just created, and insert it into your page. And just like that, your page now features a fully functional checklist. Always remember to preview your page first to ensure everything looks when expected. If all looks good, go ahead and publish your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a checkbox or checklist to your WordPress site. This new capability not only adds interactivity but can also significantly enhance the functionality of your content. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Until next time.